Rotating China, empowering the world. In 1954, a super enterprise producing bearing was born. This giant rewrote the history of Chinese bearing industry. LYC. Through 60 years of development, LYC has become one of the largest production scale and the strongest service capacity of bearing enterprises in China. It keeps multiple records such as the highest accuracy, the most complex structure, the largest dimension in China's bearing industry. For 60 years, LYC has always stuck to the development of innovation, obtained outstanding achievements in bearing industry. From highway to railway, from land to ocean, LYC leads the revolution and development of Chinese bearing industry. History has witnessed the glory of LYC and the rising of a national industrial brand. LYC owns the first batch of national enterprise technical centers affirmed by China, ranking 58th throughout the nation. Has postdoctoral scientific and academic scientific research workstation. It has found a complete experimental platform for research and development, all of which have formed a high-level expert team. Its multiple scientific research projects have been brought into national major scientific and technological projects, and so on. Every year, LYC inputs 3% of the sales volume into research and development. It has 430 authorized patents, including 62 invention patents, formulated 48 industry standards, set up the strongest R&D team in China bearing industry. LYC has passed through ISO 9001 certification and ISO 14001 certification as a whole. Products cover 9 categories, including more than 15,000 types. Product sizes are from inner diameter of 10 mm to outer diameter of 13,500 mm. LYC owns international leading instruments for scientific research, which have strong technological ability, excellent processing equipment, complete quality assurance system, advanced detection method. Each procedure from raw material to finished product could be controlled accurately and meticulously. It has established the first food management system in Chinese bearing industry and has independently developed a rolling bearing three-dimensional computer-aided design system RBDS-VER 5.0. Through a series of asset, technology, brand, and other optimization and integration strategies, LYC has formed a clustering area of 6 major industries and 7 major modules. It has founded a modern base with more than 60 million sets of various bearing products. It has formed a batch of superior product group with high technical content, high value added, and high precision. In 1997, LYC successfully developed the first site of wind turbine bearing of China, started the precedent of wind turbine bearing localization. In 2012, LYC drafted and formulated a national standard of rolling bearing wind turbine yawing, pitch, main shaft bearing, to enact industry standard for bearing industry specification and unify wind turbine design, making, inspection, acceptance. At present, LYC has developed and produced from 600 kilowatts to 5.0 megawatts yaw bearing, pitch bearing, main bearing, gearbox bearing, actuator bearing to support many domestic and overseas famous wind turbine manufacturers. LYC is one of the first batch of enterprises producing railway bearing in China. Its products are widely used in high-speed railway, quasi bullet train, lorry, locomotive, city subway, and light rail train. Its globally leading full automatic production line of railway bearing and detection equipment has guaranteed the product's stability and reliability. More than 1.3 million sets of various railway bearings are operating on numerous major railway lines in China. Meanwhile, they are being exported to North America and Europe. LYC produces single and double-roll tapered roller bearing, ball bearing, cylindrical roller bearing, needle bearing, and hub unit bearing. Its automobile bearing production line passed TS16949 QS9000 VDA D6.1 quality system certificate. Is at present one of the largest domestic production bases producing bearings on motorcycle, limousine, minicar, commercial vehicle, pickup, light and heavy-duty vehicle, engineering machinery, heavy load jump car. Products has been supported to more than 100 automobile and parts manufacturers. In 1959, LYC developed the first site of extra-large 4-row rolling mill bearing in China, rolling mill bearing industry. It has a production capacity of 23,000 sets of rolling mill bearing each year, and produce various specifications, precision, and special structures of Sanzima seating double and 4-row tapered roller bearing, split bearing, and high-speed wear rod mill bearing. 2150 rolling mill line supporting China key iron and steel enterprises has totally replaced the imported products. More than thousands of supporting products have been widely used in major iron and steel production enterprises, designing institutions, and rolling mill production enterprises. LYC owns the most advanced cement mine bearing production and detection equipment in China at present, which guarantees the stability and reliability of products. Its products have been widely applied to major cement mine equipment as a large-scale rotary kiln, raw material grinding machine, vibrating spring, roller press. LYC has more than 40 years' experience in successfully developing and producing slewing bearing. It has also taken charge of formulating Chinese slewing bearing industrial standards. Its shared tunneling machine bearing of National 863 program has been successfully applied in Shanghai. The precision turntable bearing for spiral CT machine produced in batch in 2004 has become the only one manufacturer of such high-precision product in batch in China. LYC slewing bearing has also been widely used in ship crane, hot machinery, auto crane, tower crane, engineering machinery, solar panel, oil drilling platform. In April 2014, it produced split slewing bearings with outer diameter 11 meters, breaking the record of largest bearing in China again. LYC products have also been widely used in electrical machine, industrial gear case, printing machinery, textile machinery, petroleum machinery. LYC owns domestic first-class equipment for manufacturing bearing parts. It provides users with different specifications boards, roller, page. Its products have been widely used in famous bearing manufacturing enterprises. LYC has accumulated more than 30 years' experience in remanufacturing bearing. Through bearing maintenance, extend its service life to the limit, and reduce production and operation cost for customers. At present, bearing remanufacturing service provided by LYC has covered industries as cement, hot machinery, smelt, machine tool, and railway. LYC has established the first domestic bearing service platform, which owns professional technical service engineer team. It provides services as technical consultation, failure analysis, fault detection, and so on. It owns the best marketing and service network in domestic bearing industry. Overseas, it has more than 20 distributors and branch companies. Its products have found their market in more than 70 nations. In China, it has more than 50 sales offices and more than 300 sales dealers. With the most intensive service network and the best quality assurance system, LYC is creating the maximum value for customers and leading the service trend in the industry. LYC is stepping towards the ambitious goal of #1 in China, first class in the world.